Welcome back to Generation Gains. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting and accessible ways to start building wealth in 2025, investing in real estate with little to no money down. If you've always thought real estate was out of your reach because of the high down payments, think again. There are strategies out there that can help you break into the real estate market with minimal upfront investment, and you don't need to be a millionaire to take advantage of them. Let's get started. House hacking is a popular technique for millennials and first-time investors looking to break into real estate without needing a massive down payment. The concept is simple and can be incredibly effective. Buy a multi-unit property, live in one of the units, and rent out the others. The rental income from your tenants helps cover your mortgage and living expenses, effectively allowing you to live for free or at a reduced cost. Imagine this. You buy a duplex for $300,000 with an FHA loan that requires as little as 3.5% down. That's only $2,500. You live in one unit and rent out the other. The rental income from your tenants goes towards paying off your mortgage. In some cases, you may even make a profit while living in the property. Why is house hacking such a powerful strategy in 2025? With property prices still rising in many areas, house hacking lets you get into real estate with a significantly lower initial investment compared to buying a single-family home. Plus, the rental market is stronger than ever, especially for multifamily properties. It's one of the safest ways to ensure that your investment pays off. Not only do you reduce your living expenses, but you also build equity in the property over time. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are a great option for those who want to invest in real estate but don't have the capital to buy or manage physical property. A REIT is essentially a company that owns and operates real estate properties like office buildings, apartments, and retail spaces. As an investor in a REIT, you're buying shares in the company, and in return, you earn a share of the rental income and profits through dividends. REITs are particularly attractive to new investors in 2025 because many of them are publicly traded. This means you can buy and sell REIT shares just like stocks, offering excellent liquidity. In addition to providing regular dividend income, some REITs have shown significant capital appreciation over time, which can boost your wealth. Why are REITs such a great option in 2025? They allow you to invest in real estate without the headache of dealing with tenants, maintenance, or property management. You can start investing with as little as $500, making it a highly accessible option for those just starting their investment journey. Additionally, many REITs focus on specific property sectors, such as commercial or residential properties, which means you can pick a niche that aligns with your interests or investment strategy. Crowdfunding platforms have revolutionized the way people can invest in real estate. They allow you to pool your money with other investors to fund real estate projects. In return, you earn a share of the profits from the project, which can include rental income or proceeds from a property sale. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul give you the opportunity to invest in large-scale commercial and residential real estate projects with as little as $500. These platforms open up access to deals that were once reserved for institutional investors or the ultra-wealthy, such as shopping centers, apartment complexes, and mixed-use developments. Why consider crowdfunding in 2025? Real estate crowdfunding democratizes access to high-quality real estate projects. It allows you to diversify your portfolio across multiple properties without the need to personally manage them or take on substantial debt. Crowdfunding platforms often offer regular payouts, interest payments, and opportunities for equity growth, making them an excellent way to build wealth in real estate without all the complexities of property ownership. If you're eager to get involved in real estate but don't have the funds to buy a property outright, a lease option or rent-to-own agreement could be the perfect opportunity. These agreements allow you to lease a property with the option to purchase it later, often with a portion of your rent going toward the purchase price. In a rent-to-own scenario, you lock in a future purchase price and can move in right away while renting. During the lease period, you have the option to buy the property within a set time frame, typically 1 to 3 years. This gives you the flexibility to secure a home or investment property without the immediate commitment of a full purchase. Why is this a smart option in 2025? With property prices on the rise, Getting into real estate through a rent-to-own contract allows you to secure today's prices without committing to a full purchase right away. It's a great way to test the property and market conditions before you fully buy in. Plus, if you decide not to purchase, you can walk away after the lease period, giving you more flexibility and less risk. Seller financing is a unique strategy that allows you to bypass traditional banks or lenders and negotiate directly with the seller for the terms of your loan. Instead of working with a financial institution to secure a mortgage, the seller acts as the lender, financing the sale of the property themselves. This can be a great option if you have limited capital, poor credit, or if traditional financing methods don't work for you. Seller financing terms are often more flexible than those offered by banks, with lower down payments, fewer requirements, and potentially better interest rates, depending on the seller's willingness to negotiate. Why is seller financing a great option in 2025? With interest rates and mortgage requirements fluctuating, seller financing offers more flexibility and fewer hurdles. The approval process can be quicker than waiting for a bank's decision, and it's often a more streamlined approach for both buyers and sellers. For the seller, it's an attractive option because it allows them to sell their property without dealing with the delays and paperwork associated with traditional financing. So, to recap, here are 5 ways you can get started with real estate investment in 2025, even if you don't have a lot of upfront capital. House hacking. Buy a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others to cover your mortgage. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Invest in real estate through publicly traded companies that own and manage properties, providing you with dividends and potential capital gains. Crowdfunding platforms. Pool your money with other investors to fund real estate projects, giving you access to high-quality deals with minimal capital. Lease options and rent-to-own. Lease a property with the option to buy it later, securing today's prices without committing to a full purchase. Seller financing. Negotiate directly with the seller for financing, bypassing traditional banks and getting more flexible loan terms. By utilizing these strategies, you can start your real estate journey with minimal capital and set yourself up for long-term success in the real estate market. It's an exciting time to get involved in real estate investing, especially in 2025, with so many innovative strategies that make it more accessible than ever. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Generation Gains for more insights into smart investing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.